Okay, so okie dokie, we've just opened the door, and the dog has flipped over the chair, but let's look at it. Closer inspection. He's got it wrapped around the chair there, and then wrapped around, notice, opposite directions. Opposite directions. He's on the tie rod, and he's all got it tied up and tied out. Now he's just sitting there like, oh yeah, I'm a jackass, can you please free me? We're gonna fuck with him first. Hold on, come here. Come on, doggy! Come on here! Well, he's not that stupid. He doesn't want to drag the chair across the lawn. Say hello, shake. I'll look at my hand and shake. There you go. Shake. Shake, fool. Come here. Oh. Ah, you're a flippin' idiot. Okay, well, you hit me right in the nuts, fool. That's the neighbor's rat, I think. But, anyway. Alright, well, enough of that.